Hi all. Here we are going to cover a quick update on Microsoft Cloud Skill Challenge 2021. With this challenge, there is an option to get 50% discount on select certification. So let's look into that. So there are key points to remember for this challenge. Once you select a challenge, you need to complete that within 30 days of sign off. Once you complete that within 30 days, you get a voucher with 50% off the cost of the micro certification. And I'm going to show you in the Microsoft website shortly, and it will be one voucher per person every 6 months. Microsoft have this challenge running for quite some time, but earlier the date was about to expire, but now it is extended till end of December 31st, and also there are some new learnings have been added. So if you have already utilized this to get one certification already in first half of the year, you can still use this extended offer and give a challenge and get a 50% discount for a second certification. And vouchers can be used only for specific exams. I have covered that, which all exams are covered, and also it is not available at some regions which I have mentioned below. So let's look into the Microsoft website. This is the 30 days to learn challenge page. I will put this in the description also. So these are the current challenges available, and there are corresponding certifications, one or two. I'm going to list those for you. So in this one, Azure AI Fundamentals, I may not recommend using through this challenge because this will give you only 50% discount. There are other options to get 100% discount in that using Microsoft Training Days. I'll put a link in description how to get 100% discount on our fundamental certification. But other than that, we can see all these are available, and these are pretty useful. This one, Java on Azure Developer, this is a new learning added there. So this is interesting to see how, if you have some Java background, you can look for this challenge. Let's see what happens. How do we register for that? So I'll just click that, get started. And once you click that, it says begin now. It gives you some details and it says begin now. We click here, but once we click it, your clock for 30 days starts right away. So you should click it when you are ready to do this, because all the challenge module we need to complete within 30 days. So let's click and see what happens. It's an agreement, and there are some official rules if you want to read it. So I'm enrolled into that. So now it says start learning. So looks like I have already completed some percentage of this. Maybe as part of some other module I might have completed. So that's why it is already using those as a completion. So it is giving me a head start at 19% itself. So you may or may not get this based upon if you have covered any of these modules in past. So see, I have covered the serverless logic for Azure Function. So it is already marking it as completed, which is good. So if I go and see the challenge, it should show my progress. So see here, it is showing my progress. It is saying 29 days, 23 hours, and this is the clock running, time to complete challenge. And since I started it today, it is automatically put 30 days. After that it will end. So I have to finish all this module within that time, otherwise I won't be able to redeem the certification. So continue learning and introduction to Java and Azure. You can click start, and you read through this, go next, and there might be some labs and there might be some quiz, simple question. So you need to make sure you do all 100%, all 8 modules. See, check your knowledge and all 8 modules or whatever modules are there in each challenge to complete it, to make it 100% complete as part of your challenge. Once you are done, you will automatically get an email to redeem the voucher for the exam. It generally takes 48 hours to get that email once you are done. Now let me show you what are all certifications which are available along with these challenges. So here I have listed available challenges and certifications. So first one is AI Fundamental, AI 900 exam, and then Azure Solution Architect. There are 2 exams, AZ 303 and 304. You get option for both through this challenge. and Microsoft 365 developers. For that exam is MS 600, Azure IoT developer AZ 220. And there are two challenges I have seen, Azure developer and Java on Azure developer. Whichever challenge you do, you will get voucher for AZ204 exam. And other one is Power Platform, App Maker, PL100, DevOps Engineer, AZ400, and then Azure Data Science, DP100. So there are a lot of good amount of certification options available, and you can make use of this. And the timeline is till end of this year, 2021. So I wish this is helpful. Good luck with this. Try it out, and if you have any question, comment it. I'll try to answer that. Thank you.